Alright, shall we roll down this one? Alright, see you guys. See ya. Blue tongue. Give this a go. Riding blind. They came up a bit sudden. Nice. Going. It, yeah, that's all right. Not sure about them rocks.
Full send, like the two massive tabletops.
Full send.
Huh?
Full send.
Yeah, cleared them both like high, and these two guys are there like, yo!
Yeah, I enjoyed that.
I flew on those jumps, it was so nice.
Those rocks though, it really caught me out. I was just completely offline, yeah.
No, I got straight through.
It's because you're a better rider than me.
I'm not. Dude, those jumps though, I got
Yeah,
them so
I know.
well.
I know.